FLT.
We are the meats. All right, Travi, what are we doing though?
We're putting BCs on the Velocity.
We're putting some new BBCs on.
Yeah, no, in the back, it's actually a BBO.
And we got these big old camera arms on them.
Show them why we're not doing it tonight. Show them the meats on the wheels, bro.
We got the meats. Arby's.
Arby's, we have the meat.
What it was at my shop. Daniel? Yeah. Fuck, dude, that's awful. You're enthusiast. We did the fucking top first, and then the bottom, and then we did the bottom first, and now we're gonna do the top.
And now we're fucked. It's okay, guys. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take this off
Once again.
and do that.
And then boom, it's perfect.
Fucking mint.
Mint, and he's got some tint.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Just a tad.
And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fucking zip tie this shit on because you broke the bolts last time.
Fucking spring, dude.
Shit's like small but big. I gotta hold the camera up so high for you. Pineapple and jalapeno. Taste review. Taste test. Taste test.
I can get a jalapeno on there, huh?
What we thinking, boys?
Dude, it's so weird. It's so good.
What we thinking?
I'm scared.
Whoa!
I fucking saved it.
It's super high right now, huh?
Well, we fucked something up. But the car looks amazing. We are live on the touge. What happened, dude? You got too many fucking tools back here.
I don't know what the fuck it is, bro. I don't know if it's...
You got your DA and shit back here. That's right.
Whenever I take a turn, bro, it's
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
like something's jingled.
Maybe you're one of your zippers.
I thought it was maybe...
All right, well, guys, we are back.
That's the new intro.
This is the new intro brought to you by Floating World Racing. We got the man back. We got my man's back. My man's.
What's up, boo thing?
But yeah, we're hitting the canyon again because I say that every time. Travi?
Patty.
Wood, 1 + 1.
69. There's some boys out tonight.
Yeah. That one, did you hear
Yeah.
that one noise when he fucking passed us, bro?
That dude was fucking hauling ass, bro.
Are you just gonna try and catch Travis back at the front?
Yeah. It's been so long since I've driven this canyon.
They call me the Down syndrome elite.
Want to make it a party? Let's go with a party.
I gotta hurry up and go, don't I?
Yeah, so that you don't have to hit them all when they're coming back.
Y'all can't monster truck through this shit like I can now. Well, Vargas can.
I don't know where this guy came from.
Right?
Actually, this is that Volkswagen that went out. This might be a part of their group, actually.
There's
He
a
might be showing
Volkswagen?
them the
Oh,
lights or
what the
something.
fuck? That's fucking weird.
They're setting up for the touge battles, bro.
For real?
Spectator spots. That'd be so sick.
I know.
This
dude.
became a legit spot. Cops just let it be.
That'd be so much more fun.
Yep. Thumbs up for a good job, or?
I don't know. Or someone's down here.
Yeah, that's why. I feel like they would have tapped heads for cops. Yeah, maybe they are legit all getting just setting up to watch. Oh yeah, cops. They are legit setting up to just watch.
Like, are we fucking missing something here?
Yeah, I don't know.
First coilovers.
Decent. Right? You didn't set up the GoPro, dude.
Alright, we good. We're rolling.
They're fucking following him.